Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is the 8th of October, 2024. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Please remember, the content we discuss does not represent our opinions, but is a reflection of news items in public media. In a significant legal development, the US Supreme Court has dismissed Elon Musk's challenge concerning the release of Twitter records related to former President Donald Trump. Musk, through his company X Corp, had been resisting a subpoena issued by special counsel Jack Smith. This subpoena sought access to records from Trump's time on Twitter as part of a broader investigation into Trump's actions surrounding the January 6 Capitol riot and his attempts to overturn the 2020 election results. Musk's legal team argued that the subpoena violated First Amendment rights and posed risks to free speech. However, the Supreme Court did not provide a detailed explanation for its dismissal, marking a setback for Musk, who has been a vocal advocate for free speech on the platform. This ruling could have broader implications for how social media companies handle legal requests for user data. In political news, Elon Musk's super PAC, America PAC, is launching an ambitious campaign to identify potential supporters of Donald Trump in key battleground states. The campaign offers $47 for each voter who signs a petition supporting the First and Second Amendments, with a goal of gathering 1 million signatures. If successful, this initiative could cost Musk up to $47 million. The petition is being promoted through Musk's social media platform, X, which boasts a massive following of 200 million users. Participants are required to provide personal information, including their name, email, and address, as well as details of the person who referred them. While there is no limit on referrals, the PAC has stated it will verify the information before making payments. This effort is a classic political tactic of list building, crucial for mobilizing voters. Musk's involvement highlights his growing influence in the political arena as he aligns with Trump's agenda. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these insights into the intersection of technology, politics, and legal accountability informative. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us next time for more updates on Elon Musk and his ventures. Until then, stay informed and take care.